Advaita is not one God theory. The one God theory is not Advaita. The one God religions does not want you to capture the truth of God particle. Maybe on one day, I'll expand on the whole, whatever we know, whatever already the world knows about God particle through science, and whatever world already knows about the God particle through metaphysical science, and finally, from my own experience, the right context through which you need to look at the concept of God particle and understand. Maybe that I have to do a separate satsang. Let me give this clarity today I wanted to give. Whether it is a science known to the so-called outer world, or the science which you call as a subjective, the ignorant leaders of the humanity have brainwashed you so thoroughly, anything which questions them, they call it as brainwashing. No, really. Anything which questions them, they call it as brainwashing. The whole concept of this education system, which is practiced all over the world, especially practiced cult-like fanaticism in India, I wanted to question that whole thing. Do you know the largest business industry today in India is education? It is just destroying human beings. Whether it is the outer world science, inner world science, the way you have been brainwashed, the metaphysics is subjective, the so-called science is objective. I tell you, whether it is physics or metaphysics, in any field, this is the statement I wanted to make. In any field, when you look at the core, it is Advaita. Any field is complete when it reaches the truth of Advaita. Any field is complete when it reaches the truth of Advaita. Listen. Even religion became complete when it reached the truth of Advaita. Ganga became complete when she reached Varanasi. Understand? Only in Varanasi she is turning towards her origin, north. That is why in Varanasi she is called Uttaravagini, flowing towards the north. Why will a river flow towards the origin? Because she wants to have darshan of Vishwanatha. The moment she touches Vishwanatha's feet, gets the darshan, then she is complete now. She lets go and merges with Varuna Raja. Understand? Even metaphysics is complete when it reaches Advaita. I really wanted this to be done. I know my Balasans, my Gurukul kids will fulfill this. Doing a vast study on non-duality, how The non-duality is the axis of everything. Everything. When I say everything, I mean everything.